very snug fit. Show off the muscles a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I feel cool in this. I don't know about you. What's up, you beautiful humans? Welcome to the Tommy Hilfiger channel. My name is Matthew Noszka. I'm a father, actor, model, entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be going over some of my favorites in fashion. Let's get started. We have this beautifully tailored suit coat. It's a collaboration between Tommy Hilfiger and Lardini, which is an Italian brand. I absolutely love it. It fits perfectly, it falls nicely. I personally like to put a t-shirt underneath it, and these pants are extremely comfortable. So you feel like you're in, a nice casual sweatsuit, but you have the dressed up look. I have it paired with this stainless steel Tommy Hilfiger watch, and you're really good to go for anything. Okay guys, another big thing I love about this suit, or love about suits in general, is you can pair them with sneakers. So a nice tailored fit falls perfectly on top of a low top sneaker. You can have a little bit of a dressier shoe. I prefer to just have a sneaker. It's a lot more comfortable, and it still does the same for me. So one of my favorite go-tos is a crew neck. The crew neck you can never go wrong with. You could go to a lunch, you could go to a brunch, you could go to a dinner, throw a nice little t-shirt underneath so you have the layered look around the collar, which I love. It's tight fitting, it's comfortable, it's very snug fit. Show off the muscles a little bit, you know what I'm saying? No, but seriously, you can't go wrong with the crew neck. The best possible thing you can have with a suit is some basics. A basic black t-shirt goes a long way. You can layer a suit coat on top of it, you can put a crew neck on top, and you can also throw a pea coat. Now the pea coat, it's for a little bit colder weather. Those fall months that start to kick in New York, wintertime starts to hit. You got a little brisk walk to a dinner date or something. This thing's cool. Pattern's great, the fit is incredible. It's not too heavy. It actually feels really light on me, but it's definitely gonna be warm. And you can pair it with anything. Now, the jacket is a little louder, so I went with a more casual pant. This gray trouser actually has a built-in belt that I really do like a lot. Gives you that nice snug fit around your hips, so it creates that V shape, gets the shirt tucked in nicely, and you're ready to go. I mean, I feel cool in this. I don't know about you. It just feels cool, man. Like with the collar popped up, even if I put it down, it's a little more dressy. So I've given you 3 different of my favorite styles. One of them being a crew neck, one of them being an actual suit coat, and the other being a pea coat. All of the looks that I've given you can be paired with a basic tee. They can be paired with a navy blue tee, a black tee, a white tee. All of those things keep the suit more casual, but at the same time comfortable. Okay guys, so now that I've given you 3 of my favorite looks, I wanted to let you know that my favorite of the 3 is this pea coat and the trouser. They're probably my favorite of the bunch, more because they can be paired with a louder top. Sometimes when you throw like a loud bottom on, it's hard to pair anything on top other than a basic t-shirt. So when I'm pairing all of these looks together, I'm taking that into accountability that I'm going to have a basic on underneath. That suit coat is great. I feel it is a little bit more businessy, a little bit more eventy. This is a dinner date all day. And then the crew neck is just an everyday thing. You can wake up, throw the crew neck on, go get a coffee. You can wake up, throw the crew neck on, go get lunch, brunch, dinner, all of those sorts of things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed some of my tips and tricks for styling. See you next time.
You make it?